will be installing a radiator guard on my 2018 Ktm Duke 390. This one is from RR16 in Mumbai and it's beautiful quality, really well made from stainless steel. So let's crack on with it. 4 bolts on the outside on either side of the radiator, 2 here and 2 on this side that you need to take off, right over here and here. And then you have 4 nuts that are holding on the radiator cowl over here. These 2 at the bottom and these 2, if you can see it, at the top. What you will need as tools is Allen key set and spanner set. I have a ratcheting set, some Loctite, medium thread Loctite, and some WD-40 just in case. Also keep a couple of kitchen towels handy in case your hands get dirty. These come out with some washers which you want to keep safe. And what you'll need, the socket set is a 10mm, the one that always gets lost. So use that and open it up. This thing comes right off. You don't need to remove these bolts. And now let's see what the radiator guard looks like on there with the logo facing the bottom. Insert this to an approximate location and take your radiator guard or the fins, whatever. Another important step is, of course, applying the Loctite on all the bolts and nuts. Don't forget about that. And then just continue threading in all the bolts and securing them in a crisscross pattern so that you don't over tighten or over torque any specific bolt. And once you're done with replacing those 8 bolts and nuts, this is what it looks like. Beautiful, isn't it? And here is a close-up shot of what it looks like. And here's what it looks like from far away. That orange really pops. Job done.